Did you know that compressed air leaks can waste up to 30% of energy in your facility? That's money leaking away. Money counter increasing rapidly. Introducing the WiseAir WA-EUS 720, your ultimate tool for quick and accurate leak detection. By identifying leaks early, you can reduce energy waste, lower operating costs, and improve system efficiency. With a 2.5-inch LCD display and a 2090 kHz frequency range, the WA-EUS 720 makes leak detection effortless. Plus, our AI-powered software helps analyze and report leaks in real time. With cutting-edge ultrasonic technology, this device helps you detect leaks even in the noisiest environments. Energy savings and ROI by WiseAir Technologies India.